Ah tiens, regarde, ils arrivent là. Ah ouais, mais ça c'est une vidéo, ça, c'est vrai. Ah mais non, pas les petits. Ah putain, c'est relou ça. Faut qu'on se rapproche les deux petits là. Ah, c'est vrai ça. Oh, je vois pas les traits quoi.
C'est une nuit de rêve.
Look, the second star to the right. It can take you to Neverland and any place else your dreams can take you.
La magie de la deuxième étoile peut nous faire voyager au travers de nos rêves.
Wendy, it's time to fly into a world of adventure, to places beyond your wildest dreams. All we need is faith and trust. Oh, and a little bit of dust. Pixie dust.
Avec la poussière d'étoiles.
Hey, Tink! Tinkerbell! Where are you?
Clochette!
We need you, Tink!
Clochette!
Tinkerbell! Tinkerbell? Hey, Shadow! Come back here!
Peter! Ton ombre s'est échappée! Oh, Peter!
Gotcha! Look what you've done. All the magic's spilling out. Shadow! Come back! I hope you will
C'est la fête, service garanti impec. Mettez votre petite bavette, chérie, et nous, on veille au reste. Plat du jour et l'heure, ici on sert à toute heure. Cuisine au beurre, c'est la meilleure. Et croyez-moi, je suis connaisseur. Tout le monde chante, tout le monde danse. Oui, mademoiselle, ça, c'est la France. Un bon dîner, ça vaut mieux qu'un coup de trompette. Prenez donc le menu, et quand vous l'aurez dû, on fera la fête, ce sera chouette, maninette.
semblerait que tu sois pris au piège. Bienvenue à Paris, mon cher. La plus belle ville. Ne reste pas coincé dans ta bulle. Il est temps d'en sortir et de goûter à la vie.
Does it feel good to be out of there?
Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this? On the little hand. Can your friends go abracadabra? Let it rain and make the sucker disappear. Friend, never had a friend you ain't never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't never had a friend. Never had a friend like me.
Thank you for choosing Magic Carpet for all your travel needs. Don't stand until the rug has come to a complete stop. Thank you. Goodbye now. Goodbye.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around. Oh, ooby-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true, and ape like me can learn to be human too. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. Someone like me can learn to be like someone like me. Give me home, daddy. Can learn to be like someone like you. One more time. Yeah, can learn to be like someone like me.
Days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been.
Now she's here, shining in the starlight. Now she's here, someday I know. If she's here, it's crystal clear, I'm where I'm meant to go. Last I see the light, and it's like the fog is lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you. Now that I see you.
Mais tu le reconnais le film. Ça fait la moitié.
Don't you disrespect me, little man. Don't you derogate or deride. You're in my world now, not your world. I got friends on the other side. He's got friends on the other side.
ça a bien réchauffé là.
Regardez un peu qui est au bout de mon crochet. L'ombre de Peter Pan. Je t'ai attrapé, petit garnement. Et où est-ce que tu as l'intention d'aller? J'ai attendu trop longtemps.
You old codfish! This time you've gone too far.
Jamais! Prends ça!
Tinkerbell! Come on, Tink! We gotta put the magic back in the star where it belongs.
Non! Non! Je t'aurai, Peter Pan! Même si c'est la dernière chose que je fais!
You're mine, huh? We did it, Tink! That showed up. Sure is good to have you back, Shadow.
Oh, Peter, tu as retrouvé ton ombre. Et regarde!
That's right, Wendy. The magic's back. Now everyone can fly. Now we can soar beyond the stars. Here we go!
On s'envole, Peter! On s'envole!
Ils arrivent déjà des demi-tours. On va arriver à faire une tour entière, non? Fire again, please, and cold.